trust or to rebuild trust in relationship is to have ongoing communication.
Yes.
Right? We have to commit, watch this, to talking to each other.
Yes, say that again.
We have to commit to talking to each other.
Yes.
There needs to be daily conversations.
Daily conversations
Because
build trust.
Yes, because what daily conversations do, right? Daily conversations, they break up the hardness of the environment in our relationships.
Yes, they do.
Daily conversations, they break down walls.
They break down walls. They cause us to express ourselves.
Absolutely.
They provide answers before the questions are even asked because there's talking.
Yeah.
You're talking about your desires.
It's not just one side.
Right. You're talking about your feelings. So if we're going to restore trust in our relationships, we, as much as it may be difficult, right? As awkward as it may be,
yes,
we must begin with talking. Frequent, quality communication.
Yeah.
Right?